Want the quick rundown of November's newest tools at Acme Tools? Keep watching. Makita dropped a 40-volt XGT high torque impact driver. It's got 4 speed settings, 2,040 inch-pounds of torque, and it's compact but still hits crazy hard. Yeti's new Silo half-gallon jug now ships with the mag slider straw cap. Still the same ultra durable insulated tank, but now with an easier lid to sip out of on those long job site days or just days outdoors. Milwaukee added a new M18 job site radio that doubles as a charger. Bluetooth, top end sound, plus it charges your M18 batteries while you're blasting music, and it's pack out compatible. DeWalt expanded the Atomic Compact line with 3 new grinders. The 4-inch angle grinder, lightweight, gets in those tight spaces, and perfect for small cutoff work. The die grinder, perfect for deburring, porting, and detailed shaping. The 4.5-inch angle grinder, more power while staying compact. All 3 of these are 20-volt max, brushless, and designed to stay small, but hit above their size class. That's a wrap on a few of the new items that came out in November. If you want to check out everything that's new, make sure you head to acmetools.com and check out our What's New tab. Do your best work.